Don't get mean.
Then that thing gets shut off. We can open the queue and then we can get a little more presentable before we...
No, I only wanted to videotape his car.
Okay.
Die.
What is it?
Die.
Is that Brody's car?
And why would I?
Open the door. Pull it. Can Brody get in? Sit down on the seat. Whoa! Close your door.
Look at you.
Oh, yeah.
Say hi, Brody.
Use your feet to move it.
Push the horn.
Wow. Okay, close the door. We're going to go for a ride. You ready?
Go.
Okay, go.
Can you?
Ooh.
Are you walking? No. Oh, I don't have that one.
Honk, honk, here we come. Here we come.